Welcome to Car AutoZone. Today we're diving into one of the most legendary machines in heavy equipment history, the mighty Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer. If you're a fan of raw power, cutting-edge engineering, and machines built to conquer the toughest terrains on Earth, you're going to love this. The Caterpillar D12 isn't just a bulldozer. It's a symbol of strength and endurance. Weighing over 230,000 pounds, this monster is designed for the most challenging jobs imaginable. Whether it's mining, quarry work, or massive construction sites, the D12 is always ready to take on the impossible. Its sheer size is breathtaking, standing more than 14 feet tall and stretching over 35 feet in length. But it's not just about size. Inside, this machine is packed with smart technology that takes efficiency and performance to a whole new level. At the heart of the Caterpillar, D12 is a powerhouse engine, delivering up to 150 horsepower. That's more muscle than most locomotives, packed into a machine that can push, rip, and move massive amounts of earth with precision and control. Thanks to advanced hydraulics and Caterpillar's torque divider, the D12 maximizes power to the ground while reducing stress on the transmission, ensuring a longer life and lower operating costs. It's a perfect blend of brute force and smart design. One of the most impressive things about the D12 is how operator-focused it is. The cab is designed for comfort during long, grueling shifts. It's equipped with state-of-the-art controls, a heated and cooled seat, and touchscreen displays that give operators full command of the machine's functions. Visibility is improved with high-definition cameras and powerful lighting, making it easier and safer to operate even in the harshest conditions. Caterpillar knows that a comfortable operator is a more productive one, and they've engineered the D12 with that philosophy in mind. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The D12 features CAT's latest assist technology, including auto ripper, control, blade load monitoring, and even semi-autonomous operation options. These systems help reduce operator fatigue, improve accuracy, and extend component life. It's a bulldozer built not just for today but for the future of heavy equipment. Maintenance is also made easier on the D12. With easy access service points, improved filters, and diagnostic tools built right into the system, downtime is minimized. Every minute a D12 is standing still costs money, so Caterpillar made sure it stays moving as much as possible. In the world of heavy machinery, few names command as much respect as the Caterpillar D12. It's a machine that represents decades of innovation, thousands of engineering hours, and a relentless drive to build something that can truly stand the test of time. Whether it's carving out a new mine, building a massive dam, or reshaping the earth itself, the D12 is always up for the challenge. Thanks for joining us today at Car AutoZone. If you love powerful machines as much as we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible content. See you next time. Would you also like a slightly longer or shorter version depending on your video pacing?